Well, I think it's recording. I got a new gimbal and it's not working very well. But anyway, this is the beginnings of my run stand. It's an engine stand where I can run only flathead motors. Gonna see if I can get some of these engines I picked up from the Robert Parent estate. This has a 50 Mercury intake, and it had originally a bell housing and transmission that looked like it came out of a 50 Mercury, but this is an odd combination because it has 8 BA heads on it. So I guess we'll see what happens. I haven't even tried to turn it over yet. I've tried to turn it by the fan, but it's pretty tight. So pull the plugs out. The plugs were all loose, like somebody may have been messing with it. Now I've got my little stand kind of set up to use this bell housing, which I think is a truck bell housing. And eventually going to use just the MSD distributors out of my race cars to get the engines running with a 4-barrel intake that I know works. So I guess we'll see how it goes. Okay, I think I got it back on the video. And even got a little light. If you look down in here, cylinders don't look too bad at all. And if can't quite make it out. But pistons a standard size. Now it looks absolutely filthy because I didn't really make much of an attempt to clean it up. But from what I can tell, this block looks pretty darn good. I guess we can see where it goes from here. It is extremely stuck. I tried to pop out an exhaust valve so I could look at the seats, and actually that little guide in there is broken. You can see the bottom of it broke off. I can't get any of the other ones to move, so I don't know. We'll kind of go from there. Interesting little thing, that little washer way down in there. You see it in the hole? That was there when I opened it up. I didn't drop that. Just a little bit of trash right here. But other than that, the motor's immaculate. Okay, update on motor number 1. Got it freed up. And actually it turns over except for one or more valves that are sticking. I think right now, best I can tell, it's this valve that's actually open right now, only because I kind of forced the issue. It's still, see, it stayed open. You can see that. If I tap it down, probably it drop back down. Nope, maybe not. Anyway, I'm going to keep working on that. But I can't figure out what this motor is. It looks like a brand new low mileage standard bore block. Look at the crosshatch in there. I mean, every cylinder is perfect. And they're standard size pistons. It looks like the accessories, as far as like the oil pan, the bell housing and other stuff, was a Mercury style, because I'm somewhat familiar with that. It has this pivot style clutch mechanism, and that's what it had on here. And the oil pan is definitely what I've had on a Mercury before. I don't know where it is right now. But anyway, I'm going to keep trying to figure out what it is. Okay, so this is what I'm calling engine number 1, the one I'm hoping will run, and kind of setting it up with what I have as far as an adapter to put a C4, and I cleaned up an oil pan that I had laying around. I'm going to try to put it together. In case you had never seen, this is a Speedway kit, and this is the real heart of it, is that flywheel and that little adapter plate. Okay, stupid battery was the problem. "25 pounds of oil pressure at a cranking speed." So I would think that's pretty good so far. Is it yeah, it's recording. Okay, you're going to try again. Added some gas. I think I got everything hooked up. Timing might be a little bit better. We'll find out. Timing must just be a little bit off, but it is popping. Let me play with the timing a little bit. Now I'll get back. Okay, move the timing around a little bit. Might be close. Let's see. This is going to be it. Wow. Okay, I got a little more focus on the motor. Let's see if we can get it to fire up. Maybe even idle. More timing. Left it on. Damn it. That was pretty cool. This is that engine I got from the Robert Parent estate. It's the heads that came off my motor that got blown up. Some headers from a project that never really got far. It was have a flathead and a Henry J. It had right at 50 pounds of oil pressure when it was idling. Let's see how easy it starts up.